Hi, my name is Manza and welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my first tutorial in my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna make a weapon from Genshin Impact. It's called Vortex Vanquisher. I don't play this game. I don't even know what game it is. I don't know what character who uses this weapon. It's Zhongli. Then why did I make this weapon? Long story short, I went to my first ever cosplay competition with my girlfriend as Thor and Jen Foster, and we see so many people cosplay as Japanese character, anime, game, especially Genshin Impact. That's the reason why I made this weapon. Maybe they wanna buy it. And by the way, we won in our first competition, and in the next day, we won again, but now with the trophy. So we won in our first two competitions. So yeah, enough for the story, let's move to the tutorial. First of all, you have to print all the templates in A4 size. The template is available in my Etsy. You can click the link down in the description. It's only $3. Now take these two patterns and you have to cut the edges like this. Then combine them together using tape. Do it to the other one and cut the templates according to the patterns. After everything is cut, you can copy all the patterns onto this giant foam. Then I stick the pattern on the foam using tape and I start drawing onto it. We're gonna need 3 pieces of this pattern, but one of them you have to cut the middle part. And it comes just like this. I will put all the explanation in my template. Now we can cut all the line using X-Acto knife. Don't forget to cut this part to put a steel wire so it doesn't bend easily. Glue the foam using contact cement. For your information, contact cement will work perfect if you put it in both sides. And just leave it for a minute until slightly dry, but not too dry. Then just place it together like this. After that, take 2mm steel wire and place it inside the foam like this. Do it also to both sides. As you can see here, the steel wire is easy to lose. To solve this problem, you can just put hot glue inside. But because I'm running out of hot glue, I can just use this white powder. You know what this is, right? Yes, it's a baking powder. Just put it inside here, then put super glue and it will dry immediately and make it more hard as fuck. Next step, glue another layer and place it together. Now connect them like this using contact cement. Do it on both sides and also this part. Now glue all the small pieces like this. Before we glue the other side, we have to make a hole to this part using X-Acto knife. After that, glue the rest of the pieces to the other side until it looks like this. Now for the handle, I'm using a 1/2" PVC pipe. For me, I made it can be separated into 3 pieces like this, so it can be taken anywhere easily. But if you want to make it long, just don't cut it. First, I want to make the top part, then hitting it using heat gun. After that, immediately press it using wood until it's flat. Now you can cut the pipe like this until it's fit to the spear. But sadly, my theory is wrong. The pipe bends easily after you cut it. So the solution is put the pipe inside the spear, then put it a small stick as well. But if you have a better solution, please comment down below. Now take the center part, then we want to make it connected like this. Blow it with heat gun, then immediately connect them like this. But don't touch the hot part like me. Do it to both sides, and it comes just like this. Do it the same technique for the bottom part. Glue all the pieces, and as you can see this, I'm scoring the details using X-Acto knife like this. Glue it to the pipe, then just do the same at the top. Now I'm gonna make more details to the spear. Just draw it like the pattern until it looks like this. Then I'm scoring the details just like before. Now I'm gonna hit it using heat gun to open up all those lines. And also hit all the surface to close all tiny holes from the foam. To make it more accurate, you can sand all the edges using a rotary tool until it looks like this. Final step is painting. I cover everything using black spray paint. Now for this part, I spray painted with purple. After that, I paint the rest of it with yellow and gold. It will look good if you use every color with spray paint. I use acrylic paint because I don't have yellow and gold spray paint. After we do all the steps, and we are done. And here is the final product. Next video, I'm gonna make this weapon. So subscribe, like, share, turn on notification, and bye.